Hi there, Dr. Liz, owner of Launch. Today we're going to work on mobility, and I'm here with Coach Ginny.
I'm Coach Ginny. I am a NASM certified personal trainer and fitness coach here at Launch.
All right, first thing we're going to do today is the cat-cow movement for some mobility of your spine. So Ginny will go ahead and demonstrate for us. You're going to get down on your hands and knees. Make sure that your wrists are right below your shoulders. You don't want your body too far back or too far forward. So stack your shoulders right on top of your hands. Same thing with your knees and hips. Make sure your hips are directly over your knees. From this position, what you want to do is take your spine through maximal flexion and rounding of your spine like a cat, like an angry cat, right? And then slowly take that spine, sink it down to the floor, shoulders, head come up, hips come up, and you're curving your back kind of like a cow. This is called the cat-cow mobility for your spine. So go ahead and go through about 5 sets of this, curling up as high as you can, kind of thinking about tucking your tailbone underneath you, and then lowering your chest and your stomach all the way down to the floor as far as you can. Good, just a couple more here. It helps to kind of squeeze your bottom. And up, nice rounded spine here. And back down. When you're doing this activity at home, shoot for about 10 or 15 repetitions of this whole activity, going all the way up and all the way back down.